Looking for a Carb for VW 1600 dual port? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 best Carb for VW 1600 dual port available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect carburetor for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Edelbrock 1406 Performer 600 CFM Carburetor, best carburetor for 327 Chevy. Edelbrock 1406 is a carburetor that can reduce fuel cost and make a positive impact on climate change. Equipped with 2 primary and 2 secondary barrels, this carburetor reserves energy by providing itself with a 2% leaner fuel mixture than the previous model. Edelbrock 1406 is one of the most reliable carburetors for engines with short strokes. It can also be used for big block engines. However, this carb only works for engines with short displacement. When you push on the accelerator or the gas pedal, does your engine respond immediately? If the answer is no, then you need to replace your old carb with this one. To help your engine run smoothly, Edelbrock 1406 lets you enjoy a good throttle response with its bottom design of central booster. The main jet of this carb is only 0.098 inches in size. It also comes with a secondary jet, which is slightly smaller at 0.095 inches. With 600 CFM capacity, this product weighs around 9 pounds. The single feed fuel inlet, with a secondary air valve, can support the full capacity of the carburetor. Electric chokes are used in this carb to warm up your engine in case it gets cold and has trouble starting up. To solve the leakage problem, try installing a fuel pressure regulator. With minimal maintenance, this product will provide you with quality service and help your engine provide a smooth performance. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Holley 0 to 7448 Carburetor, best carburetor for 350 Chevy. Holley 0 to 7448 is a high-performance carburetor designed for racing engines. It features a 350 CFM capacity, dichromate coating for corrosion and rust resistance, and a 30 cc acceleration pump for street performance. Additionally, the carburetor is equipped with a check valve system to protect the power valves from backfire damage. It also includes an air cleaner to prevent dirt and dust from harming the engine, and a manual choke system for easy control of the engine warm-up process. The carburetor has been wet tested to ensure smooth performance on the road. At number 3 on our list, we have the Caltric Carburetor, best off-road carburetor. If you're looking for a cheap alternative to the original manufactured product, then the Caltric Carburetor is a perfect choice for you. This carburetor is a perfect fit for a lot of Polaris Sportsman models, and it comes with all the required plugs and wires. It's also pre-assembled, so there's very little to do during its installation process. You only have to adjust a throttle cable length to get a good idle speed. Adjust a float level if you notice any leakage. The Caltric carburetor works smoothly when installed in the right car model. It gives your engine clean and smooth throttle speed. You can enjoy full throttle power with the help of this carb. The primary jet of this device is 10 mm in size. Available in a reasonable price. If you want to replace your old carb of Polaris Sportsman, then this carb is the right option for you. At number 4 on our list, we have the Waverspeed 2-barrel carburetor, best carburetor for Ford 302. The Waverspeed 2-barrel carb is a great addition to any American classic Ford car. It is designed for small block models of Ford, like 289, 302, 351 engines, and is also a perfect fit for Jeep Wagoneer. The carb comes with 2 barrels as promised. The main barrel is responsible for providing air-fuel mixture when the engine is idling or going at medium speed. When you accelerate, the engine needs some extra air-fuel mixture that comes from the second barrel. The carb also comes with air filters to protect your engine from dust and debris of the road. At number 5 on our list, we have the Demon 1901 Electric Choke Carburetor, best carburetor for Ford 460. This carb casts a magical spell on your engine to run smoothly. The Demon 1901 comes with 625 CFM capacity, and it has an elegant design that fits for both modern and classic-styled cars. Weighing about 8.75 pounds, the carb has 4-barrel and dual mounting bolt design. It has an electric choke, that warms up the engine when your vehicle is unable to heat up by itself on cold days. The carb makes proper use of fuel by using aerospace composite fuel bowl which reduces its temperature by 20 degrees. Demon 1901 comes with gasket to eliminate any leak paths. The primary throttle bore is quite small in size, only 1.375 inches. Its small size ensures that the fuel economy is being maximized. The carb uses triple stack booster to increase its throttle response and help your engine to accelerate smoothly. Fuel atomization technology is used in this carb, which improves the combustion of fuel by increasing the surface area. The easy installation process works as an added bonus. You don't have to adjust the choke or the idle speed, so you can start using this carb right away. At number 6 on our list, we have the Auto Parts Prodigy New Carburetor 2100. The Auto Parts Prodigy 2100 is a great choice for anyone looking for a carburetor that will increase horsepower. This carburetor is compatible with a variety of Ford models, including the 289, GALAXIE 289, 302, Bronco with 351M, and 351 Windsor. It also fits the AMC 258 and Jeep CJ7 with the help of an adapter. The carb weighs around 1.2 pounds and has a solid metal build with a 500 CFM capacity. With two large barrels, the carb produces low-end torque to make your car more responsive. You don't have to adjust the choke manually with this carb. It comes with a 12-volt electric choke to create a fuel-rich mixture and gradually warms up your engine. The manufacturer provides you with a gasket and seal to prevent any leakage. The mounting flange of this device has 4 large bolt holes. Depending on these bolt patterns, you need to match the intake manifold of your engine with it, or you can buy an adapter to fit it. At number 7 on our list, we have the Holley 0 to 1850 SAW Street Carburetor. Holley 0 to 1850 SAW is the best carburetor for street performance. It is made with high-quality material and comes with 600 CFM of airflow. This product weighs only 8.75 pounds, 5 pounds lighter than the zinc-coated models. The aluminum construction of this carb gives it a shiny custom look. The carb has a single feed fuel inlet and vacuum secondary. It is suitable for any heavy-weighted car on the street. The vacuum secondary opens its back barrel by sensing the engine's load, thus it guarantees your engine's smooth and uninterrupted performance. Holley 0 to 1850 SAW features 4 large barrels with square bore intakes. You can easily change the position of the adjustable floats by pulling the fuel level plug. The power valves are protected from any kind of blowout events by using a special check valve system. It is one of the most fuel-efficient carburetor out there. At number 8 on our list, we have the Honda TRX 350 Rancher ATV Complete OEM Carburetor. Honda's TRX 350 Rancher was the king of ATVs in the early 2000s, and if you're lucky enough to own one of these machines, you know how great they are. But like all machines, the Rancher eventually needs parts replaced. When it comes time to replace your carburetor, we recommend going with an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, product from Honda. The OEM carburetor from Honda is a high-quality product that is easy to install. The choke assembly and throttle linkage may take some time to adjust, but other than that, you can be up and running with this carb in no time. And because it's an OEM product, you know it will be compatible with your Rancher. At number 9 on our list, we have the Autoslegend Carburetor 44 IDF. The Autoslegend Carburetor could be a great option for you. This carburetor is a replica of the original carburetors used on these vehicles, and it's still manufactured by the Autoslegend company. The OEM, original equipment manufacturer, number for this product is 18990.035. This carburetor is made from zinc alloy, which gives it a nice silvery finish. The zinc also makes the carburetor resistant to corrosion and rust. The carburetor is only compatible with a limited number of vehicle models, so make sure to check that your vehicle is on the list before purchasing. We recommend having a professional mechanic install the carburetor to avoid any issues. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have the TRX 350 carburetor for Rancher 350 TRX 350 carburetor. This carburetor fits a number of Honda ATV and Rancher models from 2000 to 2006, as well as the TRX 450 Foreman from 1998 to 2003 and the TRX 400 Foreman from 1995 to 2005. If you have any of these models, then this carburetor is compatible. It's a 4-stroke carburetor that works for Honda TRX 350, Honda Rancher 350 ES, Honda Rancher 350 TM, and more. Most satisfied service will be offered if any problem or defect occurs. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.